Okay, so in this video, I'm going to cover how to create an article on your blog. And once you've logged in, you should have been given login information and a way to navigate to the create an article page, okay, which is where we are right here. And this is the first thing you're going to see. Now, there are a couple sections. There's this main section where you're actually putting in the article. There's a publishing section, and there's a metadata section that we'll get to in a while, okay? So the main section here, the first thing you want to do is create an article. We're going to give it something really cool like my new article, all right? And then here we have the editor, and it's, if you're familiar with Word or any other kind of text editor, you'll be pretty familiar with this. There's bold, italics, underline. We're going to get to all of this in a different video. The ones that we're really concerned with right now are down here. Also, the insert image and insert media or video will also be covered in a different tutorial. And this section right here is what we're going to concern ourselves with. So you can make this a little bigger by just kind of stretching this out. And what I've done is I've already written my article in a text editor, and what I typically use is Notepad or Word, although Microsoft Word can add some weird kind of formatting that could really kind of screw up the look of the blog post on the front end. So I tend to, even if I write things in Word, I cut and paste them into Notepad, and then I cut and paste from there into the site. So in order to paste, you can't do a right click and paste, but you're going to put your cursor right here and you're going to click on Control V to paste the contents of the article. And there we have it. The article is now in the site. And as you see on a lot of articles, for example here, you'll see this little read more button down here, continue reading. And that's what we're going to add to our article. So we're going to, just like the first couple of paragraphs, we're going to use as an intro, and then I'm going to click the insert read more, and that'll create a little button right there for the read more. Now we're going to scroll down to the next section, and we're going to choose a category, and in this case we're going to choose blog, and we're going to put in the author's name. In this case it's me, and this should be set to publish. We're not going to feature it. There's no reason to in this case. And here you can also determine the access. So if you want the public to see it, only registered users, or special, which is administrators, managers, things like that, things for just private viewing. But in this case, and as in most cases, we're going to just choose public. And then start publishing, we want that to be today. And finish publishing, we'll just leave that blank so that it stays up basically forever. And if we scroll down just a little bit more, there's the metadata and the meta description and keywords. Now, there's an article on Fladdap's blog page about meta descriptions and keywords, so you can refer to that for this section. And in this particular case, all we're going to do is we're just going to save this article, and we'll go back to the front of the site, to the blog section, and here's the article. And here's the continue reading button that will take us to the full article. Okay, so that's how you create an article in your website.